Hi, Rajasthan Gatte Ki Subzi or Besan Gatte Ki Subzi is an extremely tasty side dish for Phulkas and rotis using very few vegetables. Vegetables are so expensive, especially now in summers. Gatte or dumplings are made out of gram flour or besan, and the gravy is generally made of curd. But today I've used tomatoes as well as curd for the Rajasthan Gatte Ki Subzi. Here's a tasty bite of the Rajasthan Gatte Ki Subzi. Know what? It's almost as tasty as malai kofta. So do give it a try right away. I am Sujata from Sujan Fun Kitchen, and here the recipe begins. Let's make the gatte first, and for that we need besan or gram flour and the other spices. So first see that there are no lumps in the besan. Then add Kashmiri red chili powder or normal red chili powder according to your taste. Yes, and after that goes turmeric powder. Yes, and the measurements are given here. And then now comes carom seeds or ajwain or omam. So omam gets the best flavor when you press it between your palms. It gets the best aroma. Now salt to taste, and then add 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Yes, and then start making a dough, a soft dough. And this is baking soda. Half teaspoon of baking soda, and then curd, half a cup of curd. So make a dough, a chapati like dough, though this will be quite a sticky dough because it's just gram flour and besan. So make a soft dough, and you will need to add a bit of water. Yes, keep sprinkling some water to get a soft dough for the gattes. Yes, and finally smear with oil all over, and then start dividing into equal roundels. Yes, and then shape them into logs. See, it's great fun. Yeah, just shape them into logs. Yes, this is so interesting. Entirely different kind of sabzi, but tastes great. Yes. So only if the gatte is soft will you get a good gravy. Yes. So now this is the next stage, gravy. So 6 tomatoes, green chilies, ginger and onions are ready, and then curd also. So as I told you, I am using tomatoes, but just curd will also be enough. So I made a gravy out of the tomatoes, green chilies and ginger, and then it's set aside. And now boil water in a big vessel and add these shaped logs into the boiling water. Take care to keep the water boiling. Add the logs for the gatte one by one, and as they boil, you can find them coming up. You know, the logs, the gatte logs will float up in the water. So you can see it in the picture also, in the video also. Yes. So now close it, and then remember always to cook in low flame. See, now they are done. See, can you see some spots, freckled look? Yes, and they have almost doubled in size. So they are ready. So now carefully drain them out of the water. Boil gattes for the sabzi, Rajasthani Gatte Ki Subzi. The gattes are ready. Drain them out of the boiling water. Yeah, so interesting. I love to make this recipe because it's interesting. Not only tasty, it's interesting too. Yeah. And then save this water. Remember not to throw this water. We can use it for the gravy because it's full of nutrients. Yes. So now chop these gattes into desired shapes and sizes. Yes. See? Oh my, so yum they look. And now this is the third stage. Splutter some jeera in hot oil, and then this is asafoetida, very important, turmeric powder, and in goes dhania powder, and then Kashmiri red chili powder, and then lower the flame to the lowest, And then now add 2 medium-sized onions chopped finely. Yes, and also this is optional. If you want giant cooking, skip the onions. Yeah, saute till translucent, not golden. Yes, and now actually my clipping is lost. We need to add tomato gravy into this. Yes, so keep cooking the tomato gravy. Cover and cook for better results. Wow, it looks so good. The oil has seeped in. See, this is the right stage. Now adjust with the gatte pani or gatte water. Yes, and this is curd. So half cup of curd. And then add more water. And then finally add these gattes. Yeah, see? Add them into the tomato gravy, which should not be very thick. That's why we added boiling water into the gravy. Yes, actually I will add more water. Yes, and then this is finally Kitchen King masala. You can add any garam masala or you can skip it if you want to. This gives a great flavor. Yes, and now close it, cook over low flame, and then wow, entire house is full of the flavors from this Rajasthani Gatte Ki Subzi. Yeah, and then now goes coriander leaves. Wow. Yes. See now, Rajasthan Gatte Ki Subzi is ready to serve with Phulkas. I made Phulkas, and here is a yummy bite of the Rajasthan Gatte Ki Subzi. So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends and family and press the bell icon for early notifications. And as always, have fun cooking. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.